In this video I want to try to do two things. First, I want to make an assembly and put these two parts, the top and the bottom of our container, together, see how they fit, and then also to make a dimension drawing to show you that in fact things do fit well. So here are our two parts. This is CIM container 2 top, or sorry, bottom. This is CIM container 2 top. So let me come up here to new assembly, and I'm going to place the bottom first. And now I'm going to place the top. And I want to constrain these so that they fit together, and then we'll do some interference analysis to see if they fit together well. Okay, these are pretty easy. So the first constraint is going to be a flush constraint between between those two sides, and let me turn the volume down on that one. That one and that one. Oh, that didn't work. And finally, a mate constraint between this face here and that face there. Why is that so loud? Okay. So here is our box in all its glory, and you recall that there's a few things we can do for the top. For example, on this mate, I can say make a 4-inch offset, and we can see that it comes apart, but that's not really all that useful. What I want to do instead is I want to do some interference analysis. So I've just put those two together, and if I go to inspect, interference analysis, pick the two pieces and check for an interference, I get no interference. Now here's the key test. If I take one of these flushes and slide it over 2/1000ths, I should be okay. Remember that we made each side of the top 2/1000ths larger than the bottom lip. So let me try that again. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let's go out just 1/1000th of an inch. So now I'm moving it 3/1000ths over. So I should get some interference. And I do. So it looks like we've done the offsets correctly, and the top purple part can slide 2/1000ths either way for a total of 4/1000ths tolerance. Okay, so here's my assembly. This might be useful later if we want to make a nice presentation showing how it comes together. So let me save that as CIM container 2. That should be an assembly. It is. Okay. Let me go to my original consolidated part and make a dimension drawing. So big I, new. Go ahead and grab the Grizzly EDP 2016 template, create, skip all. Let's fill this information in. So this is CIM container 2. Assignment is CIM container. This is kind of a preliminary project, but we'll just leave it as CIM container. Period 1, 01, 12, 2017. And okay. All right. So let's try this. Let's just take the base, and that'll be our front view for now. And we'll come up here and we'll give an isometric view here. We'll make this a little smaller. We just want a little human-like picture for us. But the best thing to do here at this point is to make a section view. So I'm going to click section, and I'm going to come in here to the view I have. I'm going to click inside the dotted red lines, one click, and then I am going to come and look for the center and then pull out without left clicking or anything. But now I'll left click, I'll come back over to here, left click, right click, continue, pull up, and this is my, whoops, this is my section view. So this is like chopping it right along there, down through the center, and I'm looking at a cross-sectional view of that. So what I want to check, again, validating what I think I already know, is I want to take the dimension of the outer part of my lip, pull that out, and that's going to have to be out to the thousandths of an inch, and that's 2.25, which if you do the math, that's what it should be. But what should also be the case is that this distance from here to here, which is the top, should be bigger than this outer distance here on the bottom by, again, a total of how many thousandths? 4 thousandths. So let's keep our fingers crossed. From here to here, we come up and go out to the thousandths place, and let's see, move this around a little bit so we can see it. Get out of dimension mode, bring this down, and you can see that again the dimension drawing validates what we think is already the case, that as soon as I take a bandsaw right through this clamping boss and then face mill back to the bottom of each piece, I should be able to turn them around and they should fit together, assuming that my machine can keep the accuracy to within a few thousandths of an inch. Okay? So with that, I will end this video, and to summarize this sequence of 3 videos, this is a very rudimentary, no frills box. We'll do a fancier box for our final box or container, but now I just want to get the basic procedure down, and also I want to use this as a test vehicle to see how well our machine can perform. Maybe we need to go out a little bigger than 4 thousandths of an inch. So I've got a piece that's 3 by 3 by 2 made of various types of hardwood, and I definitely can't use 4 thousandths of an inch. I tried 8 thousandths, which would mean 1/16 of an thousandths total, like here, and it was not quite enough. So, alright, thanks.